how to turn off safe mode. So for example, if you want to turn off your safe mode, then you may not have safe mode option in your Android device, but in some Android device you may have focus mode. So safe mode or focus mode is the same thing. So what you need to do is you need to simply open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now here you can go for the search, which is on the upper right, and then you need to search for focus mode or safe mode. Tap on that, and now if you have not turned that on, then you need to simply tap on turn on now, and then you can turn on your focus mode. So for example, I'll be choosing some applications to my focus mode, and once you've chosen, now tap on turn on now. Now once you tap on turn on now, if you go for the applications here, you can see that you won't be able to open up the application because your focus mode is turned on. So if you want to turn off your focus mode or your safe mode, then what you need to do is again go for the settings. Once you're here on the settings, now again go for the search, which is on the upper right, and then you need to search for the focus mode or the safe mode, and here you will have turn off now. Tap on turn off now, and once you tap on that, your focus mode or your safe mode will be turned off. So if you're not being able to have that button, or if you're not being able to turn that off from your settings, then you need to simply power off your device, and then you need to restart your device. Once you've restarted, now it will turn off your safe mode. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.